Here we come to the elevator at Macy's at Westfield Annapolis Mall.
Yeah, the button's on the side. That's kind of strange.
Just like at Willow Grove Mall. And at Cabela's in Hamburg, as you pronounce it.
Yeah, that's the German way of pronouncing it.
No. Hamburg. 2. This is a pretty old Westinghouse.
Shh.
One.
I'd like to take one more ride, if that's okay.
Okay. I'll get off on one. Dave and I will wait for you outside.
Door does not close when you push the button. There's no lantern. There's an indicator that appears to be burnt.
Except for the down arrow.
Yep.
You were at 1.
Alright.
And you can take another ride.
Alright. Door does not close when you push the button. ADA compliant phone. I'd say that this is somewhat similar to Macy's at Ingram Park Mall in San Antonio, except at Ingram Park Mall, it's in the center of the store. There's your call button right there. West DT interlock. And that's it.